So guys, the crypto markets are pumping again. Yesterday, the crypto markets were taking a slight hit. There was a lot of negative sentiment in the crypto space, on crypto Twitter and everything like that. And right now, we're starting to see a pump with all the main coins, as well as with a few altcoins that, if you have strong altcoins, you're seeing the pump. And that's kind of one of the main things I want to talk about. I want to talk about the crypto news that's going around Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as, big news events for cryptocurrency. I want to talk about what's going on with altcoins and if you should be in the altcoins that you're currently in right now, as well as overall what the next few weeks are probably going to be looking like for our altcoins and for our crypto portfolios. But before we jump into it, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, documenting my process, my perspective, everything else in the crypto space. But let's jump into it. So guys, there's a ton of news events going around in the crypto space. Of course, we have the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs that are trading live, have a lot of positive price action around those. But let's talk about the negative news. So right now, Bitcoin is in a consolidation phase. That's why it's going up and it's going down. But right now, once we get past that consolidation phase, we're going to start to see that next leg up for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these top cap coins. And once we start to see, those gradual increases on those bigger cap coins, that liquidity is slowly going to funnel down into our altcoins. So right now, keeping an eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the price action around these and what's going on with them is going to be very, very crucial for our crypto portfolios. And with more news around Bitcoin, we still have the Mt. Gox, creditors going into place. So there's a lot of FUD coming out around that, and that's causing a lot of negative sentiment around Bitcoin. But this event is almost over. It's already pretty much like 56% done. So I'm really pumped to see that get out of the way for us to move on to bigger and better things. Another big thing that caused the markets to tank is the US stock market went down crazy. It saw one of its worst days in over like 11-12 months, with over I think like $1.1 billion being liquidated from the stock market, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. So it was really, really crazy. If you don't know, everything from the stock markets usually pour into the larger cap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that, and then from that liquidity moves into our altcoins and everything. So not only is it good to keep up with Bitcoin and the big cap crypto coins, but you also need to be keeping up with the stock market, because that is the leading exchange for everything in the United States. And there's also multiple other different events taking place that are just catalysts, to this up and down motion that we're seeing and the price action with Bitcoin and Ethereum and our altcoins as well. But if you're in some strong altcoins, you have been seeing them pump every time Bitcoin and Ethereum start to, get that gradual increase. And if you aren't seeing those tokens pump, then you're probably in some altcoins that aren't building properly, don't have a strong community, and overall aren't going to be doing something good this bull run. Every time there starts to be some positive price action around Bitcoin and Ethereum, my altcoins start to pump quite nice. Then there's a few coins, mainly in the meme sector, because meme coins are very, very good, and they're also very, very bad, just depending on where you're jumping into. But there's a few meme coins that aren't even pumping, even though the markets are starting to go green, and that should show you that overall these are not good projects to jump into. You need to be following a few different people to get different perspectives on the different coins and sectors you should be jumping into. Right now, I've said it multiple times on my channel, AI sector and the meme sector are blowing up really, really crazy. That's what my crypto portfolio is mainly revolved around. Hash AI is one of the main projects I'm currently committed into, revolved around AI projects. They are producing new stuff, getting new investors, and overall have a ton of great traction in the crypto space. So I'm really committed into this AI project. I also have a few other AI projects and a few meme projects. Brett is one of my main meme projects. It's already done some great numbers. It's a strong community, strong marketing, and overall they're building amazing things. And whenever we start to see the pump with Bitcoin and Ethereum, these coins see those gradual increases, which gives me, a reminder that I'm investing in the right coins because the sentiment is there. Overall though, you should really be looking at your crypto portfolio and seeing what's pumping and what's not. On top of that, you need to be keeping up with what's going on in the crypto space, and not only with the crypto space, but just with everything in the world, the stock market, news events, and everything else. Everything has a correlation. So if you can figure out that correlation, then you can really get ahead of the curve before everyone else has the news that investors and Coles and influencers are shilling to everybody. But at the end of the day, I'm a beginner in the crypto space, still navigating everything. Right now, I'm actually jumping into a few different altcoins. With the US Olympics already launching today, the ceremony is going on at 1:30 p.m. CST. There's a few meme coins that are dropping around the Olympics, which could possibly have some crazy pumps. Now, these are going to be small coins. Some of them are honestly going to probably go to zero, but you can ride this wave and try to make some money off of it, especially if you keep up with everything that's going on. So guys, guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with my crypto portfolios, what you guys should be doing. I'm doubling down on my current altcoins, the ones that are really strong, and I'm honestly thinking about diversifying a little bit more just because I want to get the most bang for my buck. Seeing a few price predictions around the coins that I'm currently invested in, and I'm writing down in specific detail where I want to exit on these coins. I'm going to be sharing that on this YouTube channel so you guys can see exactly how I'm going to do my plays. I'm not a huge influencer, so I don't drive price action like a lot of these other people do, so you guys can actually see what it looks like for a beginner trying to liquidate in the crypto space and all that good stuff. But if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto portfolio, sharing my perspective, and just pretty much the start of my crypto journey to the end of my crypto journey. I just want to, share everything and become, more intermediate with this, get a better understanding around crypto, and just learn how to make money with this 24/7. Overall, altcoins are going to have a crazy rip this run, and we're in the midst of that crazy rip. But you got to keep up with all the news events that are going on. You got to keep up with the price action. You got to keep up with, everything going on in the world so that you can be ahead of the curve and ahead of everyone that's trying to run this race. But guys, I am on my lunch break right now. It is Friday. I'm really hyped that it's Friday. I got the weekend, and then next week I'm taking a small vacation with my brothers. Stay tuned because I'm going to be dropping some videos around that. Still going to be around crypto and my business and everything. But I got to eat. I got like 10 minutes left for my lunch break, and then I got to get back to work, jump into stuff. But if you guys are new to the channel, drop me a like, drop me a comment, subscribe, go check out the rest of my content. I really do appreciate all the support and everything else that you guys show me on this channel. But yeah, guys, I share daily content every single day, so stay tuned for the next one. I'll be dropping something tomorrow talking about the crypto markets as well as my crypto portfolio. Gonna be putting more stuff together because I'm making plays and a whole bunch of other stuff. But let me eat my lunch, stay tuned, check out my other content, and I'll see you in the next one.